guys, Mikethebear here. So what we're going to be
Not doing anything.
fucking eating my kebab. This is Mrs. Bear eating my kebab. You don't get to see a moderately pretty face because I'm going to blur it. Unrelated. Okay, so this is my showy, and what we're going to be doing is turning it into a Tron themed helmet. So I'm lucky because I've already got a bit of a design to go with. This looks a little bit like something out of Tron already. So luckily I can follow these contours. Gotta be careful of this thing though. So there's a few things you're going to need first. Most importantly, this funny stuff. This is electroluminescent tape, and this is electroluminescent wire. Now with this one, you're not particularly limited in colours. There's a whole bunch to choose from. I think there's about 20 different ones that you can get. But with electroluminescent tape, they're much more limited. There's only the primary colours and a few others. So I decided to go with red tape and orange wire. Got a whole bunch of it, and the awesome thing is you can actually cut this to size and it won't interfere with how it lights up. See how long that is? Look at that. Good lord. Okay. Of course, most of the kits come with this. This is an inverter. Now, on its own, you can't hear anything. But when I plug it in, it makes a hum. And this might be a deal breaker for some of you. But it lights up real nice. There's that one too. Look at that. Pretty cool stuff. So that's going to look pretty boss in the dark. I'm going to be cutting these wires and splicing them together to match up with this. Always a good idea to use lithium batteries because they weigh almost nothing, and the others will weigh you down. And you're going to need some adhesive and some tape. Tape is for doing the electronics. That's electrically insulated tape, and this is for just adhering to everything. Why is your hair on it?
I'm mold.
Okay, so this is clear 3M tape. It's the same stuff that they use for GoPro, except this is a clear version. You can get this from your local hardware store. I got it from Bunnings. It was about 10 bucks for a whole roll, but this shit lasts forever. So guys, the first step, bring your helmet back, grab some methylated spirits or some isopropyl, is that what it's called? Isopropyl alcohol. We use that to clean the helmet off. So guys, I am about to do mine up and I will get right back to you. And that's it guys, that is a Tron helmet, homemade, for about $15.
for you.